Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty, your ultimate source for all things stylish, sophisticated, and undeniably chic. Today, we are diving into the world of black women business attire, exploring the power of professional fashion and the art of dressing for success. Join us as we showcase a variety of elegant and empowering looks that are perfect for the modern businesswoman, from tailored suits and classic separates to chic dresses and statement accessories. Whether you are climbing the corporate ladder or launching your own entrepreneurial venture, we will help you navigate the world of business fashion with style and confidence. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonderful world of black women's business attire. When it comes to dressing for success in the business world, nothing exudes confidence and professionalism quite like a well tailored suit. In today's video, we will showcase a variety of sleek and sophisticated suit options that are perfect for black women in the workspace. From classic black blazers and trousers to bold and vibrant colors like navy, charcoal, and pinstripe patterns, we will explore different suit styles that flatter every body type and suit every taste. We will discuss how to choose the perfect fit and still how to accentuate your curve and create a polished and put together look that commands attention and respect in any professional setting. Whether you prefer a traditional two-piece suit or a modern twist with cropped pants and a statement blazer, we will help you find the perfect suit that makes you feel confident and empowered to take on the business world. But business attire is not just about suits, it's also about versatile separates that can be mixed and matched to create endless outfit possibilities. In today's video, we will showcase a variety of chic tops, blouses, and skirts that are perfect for black women in the workplace. From classic button down shirts and silk blouses to stylish wrap tops and pencil skirts, we will explore different separates that offer comfort, style, and versatility for the modern professional woman. We will discuss how to create cohesive and polished looks by pairing complementary pieces together, as well as how to add interest and personality to your outfit with statement accessories like bold jewelry, scarves, and belts. Whether you are attending a boardroom meeting or a networking event, we will help you navigate the world of business fashion with confidence and flair. Of course, no business wardrobe would be complete without a selection of stylish and sophisticated dresses that can take you seamlessly from the office to after work events. In today's video, we will showcase a variety of chic and versatile dresses that are perfect for black women in the workplace. From tailored sheath dresses and wrapped dresses to fit and flare styles and midi length options, we will explore different dress silhouettes that flatter every figure and suit every occasion. We will discuss how to choose the perfect dress for your body type and personal style, as well as how to accessorize it to create a polished and professional look. Whether you prefer classic neutrals like black and navy or bold colors and prints, we will help you find the perfect dress that makes you feel confident, empowered, and ready to conquer the day. In addition to clothing, accessories play a crucial role in completing your business attire and adding those finishing touches of style and sophistication. In today's video, we will showcase a variety of chic and elegant accessories that are perfect for black women in the workplace, from statement jewelry like bold earrings, statement necklaces, and cuff bracelets to sleek and stylish handbags and shoes. We will explore different accessories that can elevate your look and make a statement in any professional setting. We will discuss how to choose accessories that complement your outfit without empowering it, as well as how to incorporate trends and personal touches to express your unique style and personality. Whether you prefer classic and timeless pieces or bold and fashion forward accessories, we will help you find the perfect finishing touches to complete your business ensemble with style and confidence. At Luna Fashion and Beauty, we believe that dressing for success is about more than just looking good. It's about feeling confident, empowered, and ready to take on the world. Whether you are climbing the corporate ladder or blazing your own entrepreneurial trail, we are here to help you navigate the world of business fashion with style and confidence. Thank you for joining us on this stylish journey, and remember, with the right outfit and a touch of confidence, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous, and remember to dress for success and be confident. You can achieve anything you want and you set your mind to. Until next time, thank you for joining us on this stylish journey. Bye for now.